In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the HTML of an email in HubSpot so you can tweak formatting or reuse the code for other projects. Start by heading over to the marketing menu and clicking on Email. This is where all your emails are stored. Find the email you want to work with and make sure it's still in draft mode. Then click Edit to open it. If you're using the classic email editor, click into a rich text module and look for the source option in the toolbar. This lets you view and edit the HTML for that specific section of your email. This is useful for making small adjustments like fixing spacing, adding custom formatting, or inserting code snippets. If you're using the drag and drop editor, you won't see full HTML directly in the editor. Instead, you'll need to access the Design Manager. To do that, go to the Content menu and click on Design Manager. Then find the email template your message is using and open it. If the email is built with a coded template, you'll be able to view the full HTML and make deeper customizations. If not, you'll only have access to section-level HTML through modules, which is normal for drag and drop templates. Take your time when editing HTML to avoid breaking your layout, and always preview your email before sending. And that's it. You now know how to access and work with email HTML in HubSpot, giving you more control over your email design and customization.